I'm Rick Corey. If you'd like more information about the car you just clicked on at the end of the video, call my friends at Ferguson. Remember, no one beats a Ferguson deal.
Ferguson Superstore.
The 2017 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced, it drives quite comfortably, and comes with a lot of features. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, navigation system, backup camera, stability control, lane departure warning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, floor mats, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.